Who belongs Sapta? I would like to start with the youngest person. So whoever believes they are young should come up. Okay. Sorry. You can face this side.
Face this side.
You can go a little bit behind.
आयच्या दिसांनी आमी खूब अशी रेप केसीस मर्डर केसीस पेपराचेर वाचतात आयकतात आनी टीव्हीचेर पळयतात पण ही जी केस आसा ती आयकपाक वाचपाक आनी पळोवपाक सुद्दां काळीज धडधडटा आमच्या सरकारान खूब अशे नियम काडल्या कायदे काडले रिगार्डींग वुमन सेफ्टी बेटी बचाव बेटी पढाव हो पॉप्युलर कायदो आसा तो जर आमी मॉडिफाय करत आणि बेटे को पढ़ाओ कि कैसी लड़कियों की रिस्पेक्ट करे जरा दौरत जाल्यार बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ विल बी सक्सेसफुल अजून मेरेन जितली रेप केसीस जाल्या इंडियान त्या चलयांक कितलो त्रास जाला पळय ताच्या पेक्षा चड त्रास त्या गुन्हेगारांक दिवपाक जाय इतलीच म्हजी इच्छा आसा लास्टली अ मेसेज टू ऑल द वुमेन प्लीज फायट फॉर योर राइट्स It doesn't matter what caste you are, it doesn't matter what religion you are. If you just keep quiet, this will never change and this will never end.
Who else would like to speak? Yes, please come up. No, don't worry. We are making it in a formal. Would you like to speak? Whoever wants to speak, please come.
Come here.
I don't know, but it could be. But don't worry about it.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Janice Fernandez, and I would like to introduce myself as a daughter of India, as a citizen of India. I have certain rights, I have certain duties. When I'm being ensured by the Constitution that I'll be protected of all my rights, at the same time it is my duty to protect my other fellow women. So now, the term rape was once upon a time very, very rare in British India, in ancient India, and now we can see that the term rape has been being used so widely by each and every citizen. It's not correct to say rape, it's called sexual assault according to the IPC. So now, as we could rightly see in the recent rape case in UP, it's not the first time, it's not the second time. There are women repeatedly raped. There are women repeatedly raped at home. There are women repeatedly raped in workplaces. There's a lot of harassment everywhere. Not all cases are reported. And out of those cases which are not reported, there are these silent women who are waiting. One day someone will understand. One day someone will stop the atrocity that is committed. Now, India, being a democratic India, my proud India, the India which I belong to, sadly to hear, there is one after the other cases going on. Now in this case, the sexual assault is committed against a minor girl. She also has some rights. Maybe she was not heard. An FIR was not lodged. No proper treatment was given her for medical examination. She was not being cremated, but her body was burned just to conceal facts. This is my proud India. This is the system. This is the land where I come from. I would urge all the fellow women, all my friends, when you see something like this, even small acts of molestation, small acts of harassment, this is the starting point where we keep silent. Do not keep silent. Voice out. If you can't voice out, write. If you can't write, post. You have every right in India, in my India, to be free. You have a freedom of speech and expression, not only through voice, but through writings, through drawings, through sketches, through protests, through, you have very lot of scope. So women, you have lot of rights to protect yourself. All the laws are supporting you. Whenever you feel threatened or your freedom is being threatened, please come out. Please come out. Write, speak, express, draw, sketch, and support one another. Don't feel shy. As a woman, as a girl, as a lady, you might be someone's wife, you might be someone's daughter, you might be someone's mother. Come out, speak out. Thank you.
Please step up ahead. Informal.
Friend, just now a girl said, do not keep quiet. It is very important. No civil society can tolerate in silence what has happened to a 19-year-old girl in this Hastra in Uttar Pradesh. The brutalization which has taken place. And not only that, after that, the way the entire administration has been acting or not acting at all, the manner in which the investigation is botched up, the manner in which the girl, even after her death, is not getting a dignified burial. Cremation is not taking place in a dignified way. What kind of society we are living in? What kind of things we are going to tolerate? That is the question. That is why we should come out. We should come out and speak. I often see as a journalist, many people express outrage and say they should be hanged. I am telling you, friends, hanging will not solve the issue. Earlier case we have seen, people have been hanged. Point is not hanging. We have to see 2-3 things. One, first of all, there should be no politicization moment such a heinous crime takes place. Free and fair investigation, it doesn't take place. Moment there are people accused are having closeness to politicians or higher ups, or they are themselves VIPs, VVIPs, entire investigation gets botched up. See, you have seen here also what is happening. So first is the police should be allowed to do a free investigation, speedy investigation. There should be speedy charge sheet should be filed. Then speedy trial should take place. Does it take place? We don't allow that. And as a civil society, unless we put pressures, because it is not 1, 2, it is just series of cases which is happening. And here it is worse because it is happening to a Dalit, voiceless person from a voiceless society. We have to stand up for them. It is very important. So I feel that this kind of outrage has to be expressed, and we have to see that another point earlier girls also mentioned. It is that one is that if you are not going to investigate freely, if you are not going to file charge sheet speedily, if you are not going to do trials speedily, what is the use of that hanging? What is important is all these steps of justice should be speedy, and that should create a deterrence which is not taking place. That is very important. We should press for that, and don't press for hanging. Press for these steps. It is very important. That is not happening. Secondly, our society, still the way we look at women, that has to change. And men has to change. We are asking women to change. We are asking women not to wear this, that. We are asking women why she went on the street at 12 at night. Maybe she had gone to get medicine. I'm just saying, we are questioning the victim and the women. We should change as a society. Men also should change. And this change, where it will start? It has to start in the families. There it is not changing. This patriarchal mindset has to change. So that is why our police and every administration level also see the people. Their sensitization is not there. They are not sensitive. That is what we are seeing on TV. So it is very important. So beginning has to be from my house, my family, and then we have to be I am very happy that young girls have come up here. That is how we have to, and we have to speak out. There is nothing to fear. Thank you very much.
You would like to come up and speak? Yes? कोणी येऊन शकता यार?
I'm here as a normal citizen and as a woman here today because I feel ashamed that we have to remind our government and remind those in the administration that women need respect even just as human beings. We always hear this argument that she's someone's daughter, someone's mother, someone's sister. She's someone first. She's a human being. Why do we have to always come out in rage, outrage, and only then will we be heard? A case like this that has happened in Hathras, this kind of atrocity has been going on for years against the Dalit women. Why does it hurt us today? Because there is social media, there is so many avenues available for it to be expressed and viewed. This is generational, and this is something that is not reducing, it is increasing in our country. And as Mr. Prakash Kamath has rightly said, the change has to begin from our own families, from our society. Instead of wanting to police what women do, whether they should go out in the evening, or what time they are out, or what they are wearing, or what they are doing, why don't you change your sick mindset about women? Why don't you just let them be and let them live in peace as human beings? And that is the fundamental point today. I, as a woman, and I see so many girls here today, we just want to be respected as human beings and given our space to live freely. We need that right, we have to get that right. And this country is not giving us that right. And as equal citizens of this country, Article 15 gives us equal protection. Why do we have to still fight for it today? Thank you so much.
Anybody else would like to speak? Okay, till somebody gets ready, I'll bring in just 2 points. निर्भया केस जेन्ना जाल्ली, टीव्हीचेर खूब प्रोग्राम जाताले आनी त्या प्रोग्रामांनी बोवाळ जातालो की दिल्ली इज अनसेफ म्हणून. आनी तेन्ना म्हजी चली, हांव टीव्ही पळयतालो आनी ते बोवाळ करताले. टीव्हीचेर नेटान उलयतात, सगळे रागान उलयतात. आनी ते उलयतना तेन्ना एक गजाल म्हजी चली आयले आनी म्हाका म्हणपाक लागले, हे फट उलयता म्हणपाक लागले, गोंय खंय सेफ आसा म्हूण. म्हाका तूं रातचो धाडूं शकता दोनांक खंय? हांव धाडूं शकना. दोनांक कित्याक? राती 8 नंतर आमकां भंय दिसता हांगा. ज्या तरे आनी कित्याक जाता जाल्यार सगळ्यात पयली गजाल म्हळ्यार म्हाका दिसता न्ही, आमचे खूब गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स आसता, ते कितले एफिशियंट आसा ते हांव नकळो, पण तातूंतले एक डिपार्टमेंट आसा हे खूब एफिशियंट आसा, आनी ते म्हळ्यार पुलीस. आमकां कोणाकय भितर उडोवपाक जाय ती कितले फास्ट काम करूं शकता आमी पळयलां. पूण एखादी जेन्ना केस येता, हांव एक हालींच जाल्ले पयर रामान हे काडला वयर ते चिरिदांव जे एक बॉडी मेळ्ळा 1 वीक लागता पोलिसांक हे पब्लिकान हाडपाक. एक PRO आसता तांचो जो सगळ्या प्रेस नोट दिता सद्दां. 1 वीक लागता हे सांगपाक की कोणाचे तरी बॉडी हे पडला. कोण तर येऊ शकता न्ही, म्हणू शकता की आमचे आसूं शकता म्हणून, कोण म्हणू शकता आमचे कडेन म्हायती आसा म्हणून. 1 वीक ओगी बसता हे. दीप विहारान इश्यू जाल्लो. कितें जालें ताचें? इट वॉज बॉच्ड अप बाय द पुलीस. आणि हांव परत म्हणटा, आय थिंक पुलीस इज व्हेरी एफिशियंट. दे कॅन इम्प्लिमेंट द लॉ, दे कॅन टेक द एक्शन, दे आर केपेबल ऑफ having the intelligence sources, they can dig up everything, but only when they want to or where they are allowed to. And this has to change. हे बदलपाक जाय. हांव एक बेश्टे स्टॅटिस्टिक्स जेन्ना हे चलताले तेन्ना जेन्ना निर्भयाचे जाले, आसिफाचे जाले, एक हांव स्टॅटिस्टिक्स मुद्दाम पळयता. नॅशनल क्रायम रिपोर्टिंग ब्युरो जे आसता, आनी सगळ्यात पयलीं म्हळ्यार रिपोर्टिंग जे जाता हे पुलिसा कडेन पावतात त्यो केसी. आणि पुलिसा कडेन पावतात त्यो केसी न्ही, पुलीस कंप्लेन रेजिस्टर करतात त्यो केसी. मागीर सगळ्यात पयलीं म्हळ्यार जर एक फिगर येता की सादारण ऑलमोस्ट अप टू 100 डेथ्स अ इयर, 100 डेथ्स अ डे, or incident, not death, sorry, incidents of sexual assault, 100 दिसाक जर जाता, that those are the ones which have been registered by the police. This is not the number. The number is much more. आणि जेन्ना कॉन्फिडन्स येतलो लोकांक, पुलीस आमचे रेजिस्टर करू शकता. आणि हे पुलिसांक ते कॉन्फिडन्स येवपाक आय फील 2 very important bodies have to work very well. There is a Women's Commission and there is a children's body. Both these have the power to summon the police. They have the power to ask. And most times people who are there are not, although they may be appointed politically, they are of some respect. But they don't act. They don't create that confidence. आणि हे बदलपाक जाय. आमी फाटी 2-3 फावट कोणाक मॉलेस्टेशन केल्ले, कोणाक बारीक सेक्शुअल असॉल्ट केल्लो तेन्ना आमी वुमन्स कमिशनाक, चिल्ड्रन्स कमिशन, वी हॅव टू फोर्स देम टू एक्ट ऑन इट. तर हे कित्याक आमी कित्याक फोर्स करपाक जाय? तुमकां जर एक संविधानान तुमकां एक बॉडी म्हणून तुमकां पावर्स दिल्या, ताचो वापर करा. आणि सगळ्यांनी जांकां एटलिस्ट आय थिंक वी शूड स्प्रेड द वर्ड की विमेन्स कमिशना कडेन लोकांनी वचपाक जाय, कंप्लेन्स घेवन वचपाक जाय, परस्यू करपाक जाय. You don't need to go to the police. You need to tell them to call the police. You need them to this thing. And I really appreciate ki anga Goyan media, even the DPR atonni, if media did try to bring it out, but the problem was, I think even there was this case of a journalist where the Goa Union of Journalists stood up firm, and I really appreciate the media. But can we do a little bit more? Can you get Women's Commission to tell what they are doing? कितें करता तुमी? Can the PRO of this thing be confronted and asked why it took 1 week for the Shriram case? Why? हे विचारपाक जाय तुमी. हो इश्यू जावपाक जाय. कित्याक लास्टाक कितें जावं, कितली सोशल मिडिया येवं, कितले व्हिडिओ चॅनल्स येवं, कोण कितें येवं, पेपरान जे येता, आणि इवन व्हिडिओ चॅनल्सांक चड सिरियसली घेतात लोक. केबल आमचे जे लोकल चॅनल्स आसा न्ही, खूब लोक सिरियसली घेतात. तर तुमी प्लीज न्ही ह्या गजालीचेर पयली हे लक्षात दवरात की देर आर मोर केसीस देन आर दॅट आर रिपोर्टेड. अँड बाय एन एस्टिमेट दे आर सेईंग देर आर ऑलमोस्ट 12 times as much as आर रिपोर्टेड. पूण हे बदलपाक जाय आणि आमी सगळ्यांनी मिळून हे बदलून घेवपाक जाय. ऑफकोर्स लायक सम पीपल हॅव सेड, वी हॅव टू स्टार्ट विथ आवर सेल्फ ऑल्सो. वी हॅव टू चेंज आवर मायंडसेट. बट प्लीज लेट्स चेंज इट. थँक्यू. आणि कोण येता?
Hi, my name is Alia, and I've come from Margaon to show solidarity for the alleged rape victim. And it's really upsetting, not only the fact that she died, but the fact that they are trying so hard, the administration in UP is trying so hard to cover up that the girl was raped. They are trying to cover that up. They burned her body, the police burned her body in the middle of the night at 3 a.m. and they did not expect anyone to find out about it. And now they are targeting Tanushree Pandey, the journalist who actually caught this on camera and who exposed it and has told the whole of India what happened. And it's really heartbreaking that such a young journalist, a 27-year-old, is being targeted and harassed in this manner. We condemn this, and we hope that the government will accept that we are still a democracy. We will fight for our rights to speak up and protest, and if need be, tell the government where they are going wrong. That's all I have to say.
सगळ्यांक हांगासर एकठांय येयला म्हणून हांव
कॉल करता हय कॉल करता
खरें थँकफूल म्हणटा. पयली गोश्ट म्हणटा ती आमी बेटी बचाओ म्हणटात, पूण खऱ्यांनीच बेटी बचाओ जो प्रमोशन करपाक लागून इतलो एक्सपेंडिचर केल्लो आसा, कोटींनी एक्सपेंडिचर केल्लो आसा, पूण खऱ्यांनीच बेटीक वाचोवपाक तितलो एक्सपेंडिचर केल्लो आसा जाल्यार पळोवपाक जाय आमकां, आनी क्वेश्चन स्वता विचारपाक जाय. दुसरी गोश्ट म्हणटा ती हांव हे मिडियाक सांगूंक सोदतां. हे जे शिरीगांव इन्सिडेंट घडलो आनी ताजे नंतर मिडियाक विचारलें हांवें, पूण खऱ्यांनी आमकां एक विचित्र मुखार आयलें की मिडियाक सुद्दां पुलीस सांगूंक सोदिना. 7 दीस लागता, एक ल्हान भुरग्याची बॉडी कट जावन शिरीगांव पडटा आनी ते 7 दीस कोणाकूच कळना. म्हणल्यार कितें हांव विचारूंक सोदतां की आज कित्याक लागून लिपोवंक सोदता, की तुमकां वयरसून सरकारान प्रेशर आयिल्लो आसा की बाबा हे अशें घडणुको घडल्यो काय न्हू ओगीच सप्रेस करपाचें. हांव जेन्ना पुलिसाक विचारूंक गेलो तेन्ना म्हणटा ते मायग्रंट आसतले. मायग्रंट आसूं कोणूय आसूं, एक जीव तो ह्या जिवाक तर समज तुमकां रिस्पेक्ट ना न्हू, तुमकां त्या गलीचेर बसपाक अधिकार ना, तुमी रिजायन जावपाक जाय. तो चीफ मिनिस्टर जावं प्रायम मिनिस्टर सुद्दां जावं, तांच्यांनी रिजायन जावपाक जाय. आज प्रत्येक जेन्ना तो फोटो एक आवयच्या म्हऱ्यान पावलो न्हू तेन्ना ती आवयक दुखां येना जाल्यार ती आवय नासतली. आयज एक्चुली पळोवपाक गेल्यार प्रत्येक मनशाक आमच्या मिडियाक हांव इतलेंच रिक्वेस्ट करता, खऱ्यांनी तर गोंय राखतलें जाल्यार गौरी लंकेशाच्या जाग्यार जर्नलिजम जावची पडटली आमकां. तुमकां तर कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाल्यार आमी तुमच्या लागून जीव दिवपाक उबे आसतले, प्रत्येक गांवकार उबे आसतले, पूण तुमकां हात लावंक दिवचो ना मिडियाक लागून. कित्याक आज मिडिया सुद्दां कंट्रोल करपाक लागून प्रयत्न चालू आसात. जजीस, एडवोकेट्स, लिगल एक्सपर्ट सगळे काबार जाल्ले आसात. पूण हांव इतलें सांगूंक सोदतां की हो जो 7 दीस एक चेडू जावं भुरगें जावं कोणूय जावं ते एक जीव तो, आनी त्या जिवा खातीर तर ताका जस्टीस मेळना अशें म्हणूंक शकना की ताच्या आवय बापूय मेळोंक ना म्हणून. फ्रीली सांगता पुलीस की ताच्या आवय बापूय आमकां खबर ना जाल्यार तुवें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कित्याक करना. फर्स्ट डे बारीक सुद्दां इन्सिडेंट जाले, आमी कोणाक चोरांक धरता, बाटली एक सोऱ्याची बाटली धरता जाल्यार पुलीस उबे रावता, फोटो मारता आनी धाडटा. आय अप्रिशिएट देम, नो डावट अबाउट इट, बट दीस इज अ सिरियस इश्यू. तो तुमी मिडियाक कित्याक सांगून ना 7 दीस पयलीं? आतां प्रश्न येतलो असो की बाबा तुमचे भितरल्यान साथीदार आसा काय ना, सप्रेस करपाक पॉलिटिशियन आसा काय ना, हे क्वेश्चन येतले कॉमन पर्सनाक विचारतलेच हे. पूण आज पर्यंत जेन्ना काल सीएमाक जेन्ना विचारिल्लें, काल सीएमाक क्लियर कट विचारलें तेन्ना आपूण इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ही डिडंट शो दॅट सिरियसनेस. अरे तुझे भुरगे आसलेले जाल्यार कितें करतलो तूं आहलो? तुमचे फॅमिलीचे भुरगे आसलेले कितें करतलो आहलो? तेजी आवय ना, कोणूच ना, तेजी आतां कोणाकूच खबर ना म्हणल्यार आमी सोडूया? तीच तर आमच्या घरान जाल्ली, तीच तर आमच्या सयऱ्या भितर जाल्ली, तीच तर आमच्या फॅमिली भितर जाल्ली जाल्यार आमी सांगताले अमक्या मनशाचे अमकें जालें म्हणून. त्या चेडवाचे आज तुमकां इतलें सांगूंक सोदता, आज जितली चेडवां आंकवार चेडवां आसा ती चेडवांक सांगता फुडलें हें चेडूं तुमचें म्हणून तुमी लढाई करची पडटली. आनी जितले जे आंकवार चले आसा, जितले बापूय आसा, हे तुमकां त्या भुरग्याची जे पडलेले तेजी शपथ आसात. जरी तर तुम्ही आयज तुम्ही चिंतता की आपूण खऱ्यांनीच आवय बापूय जाल्यार आमी आयज रस्त्यार येवन तांकां इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करून रावपाचें. आनी जरी तर गरज पडली पुलिसांच्या फाटल्यान जरी तर गरज पडली आमदारांक आमी रस्त्यार दवरून तांकां क्वेश्चन करचें पडटलें. पूण हें जस्टीस आमी एक अननोन मनीस पूण हो एक जीव म्हणून आमी फायट करचें पडटलें. એટલે हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आशा बाळगिता की आमी जशे आयज येयल्ले आसात युनायटेडली येवचे आनी फायट करचे, आनी हे जस्टीस मेळ्ळ्या शिवार आमी ओगी रावचो ना. आनी हे एक एग्जाम्पल, दीस एग्जाम्पल शूड बी सेट थ्रू आउट इंडिया की ह्या मनशाक आवय बापूय म्हणून कोण नाशिल्लो पूण आमी गोंयकार उबे रावले म्हणून. आनी एक एग्जाम्पल सेट जालें. आनी एक गोंयकार जेन्ना उबे रावले तेन्ना एक एग्जाम्पल सेट करून आमी पूर्ण भारताक दाखोवचें पडटलें की आमी एक जिवाक रिस्पेक्ट करता, जावं तो कोणूय जावं, खंयच्या धर्माचो जावं, खंयच्या कास्टाचो जावं, खंयच्या स्टेटीचो जावं, पूण आमी एक जीव म्हणून रिस्पेक्ट करता हें आमी दाखोवन दिवचें पडटलें.
थँक्यू. यो अमरे
So I want to speak to you all today about patriarchy and about feminism. This case is about the rape of a 19-year-old girl who is from the Dalit community, and it is different from any other case that happens to anybody else in the upper caste. And that's the truth that we need to understand, because every 10 minutes I'm told a Dalit person is assaulted, a woman is raped, and none of these cases come up. Not really. None of them are reported because quashed by the upper caste. I think we it would be we are privileged if we can say that for a Dalit woman this can happen, but for other people we come up in huge numbers to protest. I mean, I'm ashamed today. I'm ashamed because of the very few people who have landed up here. I mean, I expected like at least 100, 200 people to land up.
Very
and
true.
what do we have? Like a handful of people here.
It's very sad to see.
Yeah, it is. It is. So I'm a single parent. I'm a divorced woman. I live alone. And I can't tell you the number of people who have come and told me, do not tell anybody that you're living alone, because this is not a society that respects women. So don't tell me about Beti Bachao or Beti, Padhao, because this is not really about a woman. It's not about you're treating women just like a possession or property or something that you need to protect. I mean, women are goddess, women are mother, women are this and that. They're not. They're just human beings like you all. So till we can get there, till we can transform ourselves to think that this is another person who needs to be treated fairly, I don't think we are going anywhere. And personally, I think my generation and the generation before me needs to die before any change can happen in India. I'm sorry to say.
Good evening, one and all. As the lady said, I think the numbers had to be more to show our respect for the women. And the mindset of our Indian people, it's very sad. Women are just objects. And I think the government of India talks big about Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao and Ladli Lakshmi schemes in Goa. All that is just an election gimmick. Nothing, nobody cares for anybody. As Rama said, the girl child that was seen and was reported, never reported till we happened to go there as Goenka Rakandar, and we brought forward this issue. And then it was hyped, but even the CM didn't know what was happening in his own state. So what I'm trying to tell our people, especially the men, now we should not look at a woman or a child, a girl child or a young girl as an object, just to take advantage of a woman or a young teenager or even a little child that was cut and thrown out, as shredded into pieces. It's something very wrong. So we men should change our mindset, and we should treat any girl, child, woman as a sister, as a mother, and respect. What is lacking today is sex education in our schools. Sex education has to be given rightfully from a young age. As you grow up, as your hormones change, your body changes, and where it is natural, it's but natural. So if sex education is given to the boy and the girl as they're growing up, I think we could avoid a lot of rapes and all these wrong things that are happening. So I appeal to the government, instead of wasting money on all these big schemes for advertisement's sake, they should stress on sex education, respect of a girl, a young growing girl. The boy should be well educated, to give that respect to a girl child, a young girl, and society has to change its mindset. See, it's mind over matter. Whatever is in your mind plays on your mind, and when you indulge in wrong things, what do you expect? You will only see things worsening. So it's my request to our government in Goa to be very firm in policing. Especially we have a lot of tourists that come to Goa, and they just they come to enjoy themselves here. And then we do have all wrong things like drugs and late night parties. Okay, everything is fine, but there must be restrictions. There must be proper policing, and everyone should know that they respect the law of the land. So rule of law has to prevail, and it is job of the government and of the police department to be very firm and strict and take proper action. You know, I think all this happens because of lack of policing, no law and order, no rule of law, and this has to apply to the full country. India has to change, our mindset has to change, our men have to be more respectful to the women, and treat them like their sisters, I would say, more than anything else. So with these few words, I hope the message is clear. I am Bilba Tiklo from Porvori, Goicho Rakandar. Thank you, good night.
नमस्कार, हांव शुभम शिवलकर. आज सगळ्यांकडे सगळ्यां फर्स्ट हांव एक चलो आणि हे जे चले आसा तेंच्या वतीन सगळे एक माफी मागपाक सोदता हात जोडून की आज आमच्या भयणीक एक वस्तू एक ऑब्जेक्टा सारकी आमी पळयता ती नजरियात आमची बदलूंक जाय. अरे कितें चल्लां हें, कितें रेप म्हटल्यार कित्या खातीर करता हें सगळें, नाकाशिल्लें कित्याक घडोवंक जाय. तकली खंय भ्रश्ट जाल्यात, बुद्धी भ्रश्ट जाल्या आमची. मातशें बऱ्या नजरेन पळयात न्ही. घरा कडेन वता, देवा घरान गेल्यानंतर देवीक बरें पळयता आनी म्हणटा पयसो दी, राखण कर, हें कर. त्याच भयणीक ते भायर भयण भोंवता एका कित्याक ते वायट नजरेन पळयतात. कित्याक तशें करूंक जाय. आज सगळ्यां कडेन म्हजी एकूच मागणी आसा, पयलीं आपली बुद्धी चेंज करात, मातशें शिक्षण घेयात आनी हे आमच्या भयणींक पळयता आसतना, आमच्या आवयंक पळयता आसतना बऱ्या नजरेन पळयात. आज हे पॉलिटिशियन सुद्दां खबर ना कशें खंयच्या नजरेन पळयता. बाबा तुमी मातशें स्पीड करात न्ही, वाडयात, फास्टॅग करात. हे सगळें जे कितें चल्लां तें फास्टॅग करात. पुलिसांक मातसो फोर्स लायात. पुलीस नाका ते कित्याक नजर घालता. जो कोण प्रोटेस्ट करता, बरें काम करता ताकाय अडयता. अरे आज हे अन्याय चल्ला, बायलांचेर, आमच्या भयणीचेर अन्याय चल्ला, थंय नजर घालत न्ही. आयज गोंयांत सुद्दां हें नाकाशिल्लें घडपाक लागलां. हांव सद्या सगळ्यां कडेन मागता की तुमी पयलीं स्वताच्या भितर बदलाव हाडात, आपल्या शेजाऱ्या कडेन बदलाव हाडात, सगळे कडेन बदलाव घडटलो. धन्यवाद.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव सुरेल तिळवे. कांयच बदलू ना. बदलल्या तो फक्त जागो, रेप करपाचोय जागो आनी अश्यो मेणवाती पेटोवपाचोय जागो. आज आमी हांगा आझाद मैदानाचेर आसा. कांय वर्सां फाटीं आमी मिरामार आशिल्ले आनी तेज्या पयलीं आमी खंय तरी चर्च स्क्वेरा कडेन आशिल्ले. संवेदनशील लोक जमता, पूण ह्या संवेदनशील लोकांक आनी असल्या संवेदनशील आशिल्ल्या इशूं कडेन आमकां संवेदनशील अशें सरकार मेळटा ना, मेळच ना. कारण ज्यांचेर रेपाच्यो केसी आसा तेच लोक आज ह्या सरकारान आसा. बीजेपी सरकाराक हांव याद करून दिवपाक सोदतां. कांय वर्सां फाटीं पणजेन एका शाळेन एका चलयेचेर रेप जाल्लो. तेन्ना बीजेपीचेच सरकार आशिल्लें आनी विष्णू वाघाच्या अध्यक्षते खाला एक असेंब्लीन समिती नेमलेली. तुमकां याद नासत, पूण त्या समितीन रिपोर्ट दिल्लो की आमी कितें पावलां उखलपाक जाय ती. एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान बसताली ही समिती आनी थंय तेंच्यांनी बसून इन्क्वायरी करून एक रिपोर्ट दिल्लो आनी त्या समितीचो रिपोर्ट असेंब्लीन सबमीट केल्लो. कितें जालें त्या रिपोर्टाचें कोणाक खबर आसा? म्हणजे तुमी फक्त समिती स्थापन करपाच्यो, रिपोर्ट घेवपाचो आनी ओग्गी बसपाचें, हें संवेदनशील सरकार आमकां मेळटा. आनी म्हणून हे रेपाचेर रेप जायत वता. आमचो मुखेलमंत्री जो होम डिपार्टमेंटूय सांबाळटा, होम मिनिस्ट्री तेजे कडेन आसा. जेन्ना शिरदोनची एक आठवड्या पयलींची गजाल तेका पयर प्रेसवाल्यांनी रातची विचारली, त्या वेळार पुराय गोंयाक खबर आशिल्लें, पुराय गोंयान व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाल्ले आनी पुराय गोंयाक खबर आशिल्लें की असो कितें तरी एक इन्सिडंट जाला म्हणून. तेन्ना होम मिनिस्टराक आनी आमच्या सीएमाक खबर सुद्दां ना. तुम्ही मुद्दाम तो व्हिडिओ पळया. तेका तेन्नाच कळ्ळें तो आबूज जालो आनी तेणें सांगलें आपूण इन्क्वायरी करता. अरे कितल्यो इन्क्वायरी करताले? कितले इन्क्वायरीचे रिपोर्ट थंय पडलेले आसा. निमाणे कडेन एकूच सांगता, निर्भया जेन्ना सिंगापुराक तेका ट्रिटमेंटा खातीर व्हेल्ली, तिची कूड मरतगीर परत हाडून तेजे बरे तरेन अंतिम संस्कार केल्ले. पूण हांगा तशें जावना. ह्या केसीन दिल्लीन तेजेर उपचार घेता आसतना त्या चलयेक मरण आयलें आनी ताची कूड रातोरात हाडली आणि तिका सरणार चढयली. हांव तुमचे कडेन सगळ्यांकडे एकूच मागता की आज जी मेणवात पेटयल्या तिचो उजो त्या सरणांतल्यान तुम्ही घेतला हे लक्षात दवरा आणि ते सरण अशे धगधगात उरचे या मेणवातीच्या रुपान तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या काळजान. इतलेच मागता. देव बरें करूं.
Anyone else would like to? I think we can take a last two people maybe.
The first thing that I would like to say is that every life is valuable, no matter how old or how tiny. The second thing is that I do believe that capital punishment is required in a country like India.
I agree.
Where everybody likes to do their own thing and think that they are right. As long as they are not caught, or as long as their loved ones are not caught, or caught with the ball at their back. The fruit that we are looking at today, which is the rape case, is only the fruit. Do you think a person just gets up and commits a rape all of a sudden? It's premeditated, sometimes over years, months. And where does it begin? What media is portraying and filling our minds today? My name is Jason, and I had been addicted to pornography. And before I point the finger outside, I want to say, have I dealt with the rapist in me? What do I mean by this? If you talk to a child today, a child who is high on his hormones, post 13, 14, catch a 10th standard student, and if you told the student, hey look, outside the window, you will never get caught. Outside the window, somebody is having sex. What do you think that child is going to do? Look at his books? No, he's going to open the window. Today we are looking at our windows on screens. Right. And when we are opening it, time after time, day after day, the kids have nowhere to ask questions, to take their questions to know the truth about the responsibility of sex and the consequences that cannot be separated from the pleasures. The far-reaching consequences. There are so many tears that are cried alone. It is definitely up to us to rise up, educate ourselves, and to teach young people. Overcome the fear of talking about sex. Yes, every child needs to know the responsibilities, because if you don't speak, pornography is speaking, and boy, it is a shame what is out there. The second thing is, if the media is not regulated, many countries have strict regulations on pornography and what is viewed out there. I thought India was doing well in the past 2-3 years. If you're looking, many websites were banned, and then suddenly it goes off. I lecture in schools and colleges and often counsel young boys in this matter. And the important thing is that we need to be open about it. Yes, you're not the only one struggling. There are men who are much older than me and boys who are as young as 13. Not to mention even girls too, who struggle with it today. Because the first thing when you watch pornography at a young age, is that it completely shocks you. The second thing, it changes your attitude over time. The third thing, it hijacks your sexuality, objectifies women, and the last thing, it causes you to act. Just because one case was reported and the person died, we haven't really touched the roots even. Stricter laws will put people in fear not to commit the murder or the act of crime. But the root cause is when you and I are not shamed to come out and speak in public about our struggles that we have personally. I want you to know that you are not alone. And we can formulate something like just the way Alcoholics Anonymous. But it is the need of the hour. And the more I see in the future, the more it is getting worse and worse and worse. You think that your 15-year-old, by the time he's 25, will not try out many of the things that he sees in pornography that are completely bull crap. And remember, whatever you click on those things, directors and producers, whether Bollywood or pornography, is nearly the same. Those things people will invest more money in. Every click promotes something out there. You and I are equally responsible for the rapes that happen. Stricter measures from the government and stricter measures on ourselves, because there is no good thing that comes out of pornography. There's absolutely no good thing. I'm willing to debate anyone, but of course nobody will debate on this issue of against or to have pornography, because it is a shameful thing by its very nature. So I want to encourage each of us, and my heart goes out to people who are locked in this in relationships that are abusive and let alone deteriorating. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
माझे नाव राहुल मामरे, गोयचो तशेंच ह्या देशाचो अभिमानी नागरीक. पूण ह्या सिस्टमा खातीर, ह्या सरकारा खातीर मान लजेन घेवन सकयल फिरचें पडटा. गेल्या 2 दिसांक चर्चा जाल्ल्या, मिडियान चर्चा जाल्ल्या ही हाथरस इन्सिडंट मन सारकें सुन्न जालें. म्हजी घरचीच गजाल जाता. 2 धाकटी भुरगीं आसा, ती चल बिचल ती न्हीद पडना. तुमी सगळे तुमचे दृश्य टीव्ही समोर येता. ताजी सोयऱ्या एम्बुलन्सान भीक मागता इतल्याकूच म्हणून की ताजी बॉडी पळोवंक मेळची, ताजो ध्येय पळोवंक मेळचो. आनी खंयच्या आवय बापाय पेरंट्सांक जो हक्क आसता आपलो जिवाचो मनीस शेवटचे क्षण ताका पळोवपाचे, तो सुद्दां क्षण ह्या सरकारान तांचे कडल्यान शिनून घेतलो. सरकार हो आसता सगळ्या नागरिकाची रक्षा करपाक, न्हय तो भंय घालपाक. तुमी पोलिसांक पयले आसतले, ते रिपोर्टर वताले, तांची जी फॅमिली आशिल्ली, वॉट टायम आशिल्लो तांचे बरोबर पोलिसांक रावपाक, तांकां लिगल एड दिवपाक सरकाराचें काम आशिल्लें. योगी सरकारान ताजेवर हांव धाडपाक आशिल्लें एडवोकेट घ्या, ही स्टेट मशिनरी घ्या. पण ताणें कितें केलें, ही स्टेट मशिनरी दुरुपयोग कामाक लायली. फक्त भंय घालो फॅमिलीक त्या. तुमी उलोवची ना, तुमी मिडिया कडेन उलोवची ना. कित्याक? तांचें पाप कितें आशिल्लें? जे कोणें चूक केल्या, जे कोण डेविल्स आसा, अपराधी आसा, तांकां ताबडतोब पकडूंक जाय आशिल्लें, शिक्षा दिवपाक आशिल्ली. हें ताजें काम आशिल्लें. आमी सिवील सोसायटी म्हणटा येता, एकठांय करता, लायता, मेळो, हें चालू आसा. निर्भया 2012 जाल्लें. सरकार येता वता, घटना तीच घडली. मागीर उन्नाव जालें, तुवा म्हणटा जालें, आतां हाथरस जालें. हें चालू उरता, इन्सिडंट घडत आसता. आनी प्रत्येक आमकां गोंयकारांक कितें दिसतालें, तें युपीक चल्लां, बिहाराक चल्लां, ठीक आसा, आमी गोंयांत सुरक्षीत आसा. तशें अजिबात ना. तुमी सगळ्यांनी उलयले आसतले. आतां ल्हान 2 वर्सांची चली जें, ताका म्हाका उलोवपाक सुद्दां शीण येता. ताजी जर दशा केल्या आनी आमचो मुखेलमंत्री जेन्ना पत्रकार विचारता ते म्हणटा इन्क्वायरी करतलो, स्टडी करतलो, कदाचित घेवन तो करतलो कितें. अरे बाबा, तुजें काम आशिल्लें त्या पोलिसांक विचारपाचें, तुवें धापलो रिपोर्ट कित्याक? तुवें इन्स्ट्रक्शन टू होम मिनिस्टर, तुजी जबाबदारी ताका विचारपाक, सस्पेंड कर ताका. ना तूं त्या पदा वयलो, तुजें हें काम आशिल्लें. तूं जें सांगता इन्क्वायरी करता, केन्ना इन्क्वायरी जातली? इतल्यो इन्क्वायरी हांगा वास्को एक घटना घडली, तशेंच एक ते ब्रिटीश कोण आयिल्ले ताजी घटना जाली, पणजे जाली, अशें कितल्यो घटना जाल्यो. तो चलयांक प्रोटेक्शन दितलो कोण? बायल मनशां फिरतली कशी? भायर सरपाकूच तांकां भंय दिसता. हो सरकार जो आसता तो प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आसता, हांची जाणीव ना. दुसरी आमकां जाणीव येवपाक जाय, जे रेप म्हणटात पळय ते जाताच. तो दुसरो रेप पळय, आमची धरती आसा पळय, जमीन आसा, ती आमची माता. आतां सद्या चल्ला कोल, डबल ट्रॅकिंग, IIT, ताजेरूच तुमी रेप करता. ताका म्हणटा तो डेलिगेशन येवन मेळ, हाका 4 लोकांक, ताका 4 लोकांक. कित्याक? तुजें काम वचून थंय गांवा कडेन बसपाचें, तुजें काम ते गांवकारांक हाडपाचें, चर्चा करपाची. न्हय ते आपयले हॉटेलांत, पणजे खंय आपयले, चर्चा केली. हो सरकार म्हणटा तो बिलकूल संवेदन म्हणटा ती अजिबात ना तांकां. लोकांक फक्त झुलप, लोकांक फक्त गोश्टी सांगप आनी फक्त बेटी बचाव हो स्लोगन. बेटी बचाव केन्ना घडटलें? जेन्ना तुमी लोकांक धीर दितले, आमी एक्शन घेतले, तेन्ना लोकांक धीर येतलो. बेटर स्लोगन एडवर्टायज घालून, एडवर्टायज करून काय जावपाचें ना, मिडियान घालून लोकांक तुमी धीर दिया. अरे बाबा बेटी बचाव घे, हाका क्रिमिनल आसा घे, पकडलो शिक्षा केली. गोंया कितें घडटा सद्या, कॅबिनेटान कितले क्रिमिनल चार्ज केले मिनिस्टर आसा, ते जर आसा सरकार कोणाचेर एक्शन घेतलो, तांचे कॅबिनेटान ते आसा भितर, कसलें एक्शन घेतलो मुखेलमंत्री. दुसरें आमकां सगळ्यांक जाणीव आसपा जाय, वो वुमन सेफ्टी, वुमन रायट्स वो बाय पार्टीजन आसपा जाय. म्हाका दिसता खात्री आसा हातून मतभेद आसूंक शकत ना, आमी सगळे एकाचेर. अरे जेन्ना आमकां जन्म दिता हे धरती धाडटा एक स्त्रीच आसता, आमची आवय आसता, ती स्त्री अशी कोणाच्यो भयणी आसता, आमकां हाची जाणीव आसपा जाय. ती जर सेफ आसा जाल्यार आमीच जन्माक येतले हांगा, नाल्यार कितें जातलें. आज जी आमी ज्योत पेटयल्या सगळ्यान, वो उजो आमच्या भितर आसपा जाय. सरकार जे हे आसा संवेदनशील अजिबात ना, तांकां जागे करपाचें आमची कर्तव्य आसा. एकजूट रावया, हातूंत राजकारण ना. स्त्री ही सुप्रीम, ती जर आसा म्हणून आमी सगळ्या जगान या, हाची आमकां जाणीव आसपा जाय. देव बरें करूं.
निमाणे हांव आपयतां कपिला आनी ती भुरगीं येतलीं हांगा. कम यू कॅन स्टँड हियर. लास्ट स्पीक.
So I work with children, and I didn't want to speak today because I think women should not be speaking about atrocities on women. I think our men should speak and take ownership of this. My only concern is I work with children and I have to explain this to the children. What do I say? You know, we all have children, we want to nurture them so well, right? But we can't keep them away from the reality of today. And you rightly said, you know, our values need to be strong. आमी रेप म्हणटा ती मनशाचेरूच करना. We are raping our mother earth, our land, everything. So आमचे पळय वॅल्यूज आमी स्ट्रॉंग दवरिना आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांक समज आमी ते वॅल्यूज आमी भुरग्यांक कशे वॅल्यूज दितले. Okay, how what kind of values are we going to give our children? We cannot uphold the same, and I think it's a collective responsibility. I think we have all failed, and if this continues, it is just a shame that we are unable to do anything about it. We are just silently watching, you know, all that is happening. Thank you.
I quickly want to say something. You know, I just want to talk about what Rahul Mamre said. Rahul Mamre was talking about criminals in our politics. Today we are here for a Hathras case, which is actually a heartless case. But I want to refresh the memory of the press and our governors. Some years back, there was a rape case, and one of our that time MLAs was involved. There was a case going on. The case goes on and on and on. Just because he's an MLA, it's an allegation. Otherwise, if he was a common man, he was going to be put behind bars. Today, I want to ask this question. I want you press to go and ask this question. The person I'm talking about is Babush Monserrat. There was an allegation that he had raped someone. What happened to that case? Why are people of Goa quiet? Why are you guys quiet? Where is that girl today? Isn't she missing? Please ask this police department, where is that girl? Look, we can keep lighting candles here, but it is the politicians that you all elect. Each one of us are responsible for electing such corrupt politicians, criminals. When will Goa, when will India awake? We can keep giving bhashans here, we can keep lighting candles here, we can keep taking out morchas. But until you all don't raise your voices, I will tell you, we are nothing but cowards. It is time Goa lifts its voices. The next, we are going to have elections very soon. The choice is in your hands. Either you elect the corrupt, you elect. I don't want to mention. I can tell you how many more in our so-called cabinet are womanizers and have actually gone and destroyed lives of girls, women. You know one more fellow who's paralyzed over there. You know what he was doing. How can we go and stake this? It is time we stop it. And the responsibility is yours and mine collectively. Thank you.
you to all the people who have come here, including the media. Last message is that let's ensure every particular case we support, we help, we guide them how to go about it, and I'm sure the media will support us, but the people from civil society also need to step up. There are mechanisms to stop you, but there are mechanisms that also allow you to, we should use all mechanisms. We should not think. Because, like one thing, today we have made, a lot of people said not enough people.